This is Khristine Perez. She is the dental billing manager here for Imed Claims. Khristine is a former naval dental technician. She is originally from the state of New York. Khristine is phenomenal. We call her the professor. One amazing thing about her, she is so detail oriented. When it comes down to the presentations for our clients, she commands the room, ensuring that all of those numbers and data is correct. That's why we call her the professor.
This is my partner, Chris. One thing about Chris that I appreciate is that he is front standing. He is the person that can talk to anybody, and I love that about him. His dental career started a little bit before mine. He started in '97, is when he started with the Navy. We're both dental techs, so we both seem eye to eye, but he's very outgoing. So we run a lot of team meetings, and Chris is the voice, should I call him. They call me the professor. I like to call him the voice.
We spend our day engaging with our team members and our clients, ensuring that the information and data that we are presenting is correct. Between Khristine and I, we run, besides the normal meetings for our clients, we run also a review before that meeting to just ensure that, again, all of that data and information that we are presenting, that our teams have gathered, is correct and accurate.
Yes, so before the meetings, I'll go into the client's accounts just to double check on those, just to make sure everything is accurate. So I do that the night before.
I think I've grown in learning how to multitask in working usually internally at an office, now having multiple clients now and being able to juggle their physical office as well as its productions and collections. So I think multitasking and just being better able to articulate the information that we are presented.
I would say it'd be auditing. So a lot of people forget that, and that's a very major part because you want your numbers to be as accurate as possible because that's the only way to end up with growth. A lot of the challenges that dental practices are facing, it's hard to find an employee that will show up to come to work. They're facing a lot of challenges with call-offs, and also staff is not properly trained. So when the staff is not properly trained, it makes it very hard to maintain your numbers at any kind of office, whether it be dental, medical. You'll still run into the same problems.
We get lots of clients, or the claim process basically is you create a procedure, submit those claims to the insurance. If it's not done properly, the claim will get denied by the insurance, which is delaying the office's cash flow and delaying, possible paychecks, etc. So one of the things under our director's supervision, as well as with Khristine and myself, we did was reduce those amounts of denials from, let's say, 10-12% down to a 2%.
And we did that through training. So we just had to make everything kind of make sense. We had to kind of retrain the team with how dental thinks. Sometimes it's better to get a different perspective on things, and the outcomes are completely different. So a lot of training and hard work came into play. So that's how we end up at a 2% denial rate. Chris and I have an extensive background in dental, so we actually understand what these doctors are wanting, which makes it more successful for us to train properly.
Teamwork, innovation, transparency, and integrity are the pillars within our company, and those are definitely things that we utilize in communicating with our clients as well as working with each other.
I think it's great to work here. We have a lot of teamwork, building, the bonding that comes into play. We're all on the same team. We're very dedicated. We're not both, I'd say all of us. We're all here for the growth. We're all here for one reason.
And that reason is to help the providers succeed.
The money emoji for me, with the dollar signs in the eyes. That's my biggest goal for each client we have, is I want to help them grow. And that's exactly what we do.
I would use statistics one, where the graph is going like such, and it's just showing the improvements overall for the practice.
That equals the dollar signs.
That equals the dollar signs.
Yes.
Going above and beyond is another thing that Khristine and I will do for our clients, ensuring that, again, they went to school to be providers. Our job is to help them do the billing and run the business.
Transparency. We're going to be completely honest and open with them. We want them to actually know exactly what we're doing, the whole step. So that way they're not confused and everybody's on the same page. So if they needed to learn something or we needed to learn something from them, but it all equals us being on the same page. So we're definitely open and transparent.